Hey guys, Liz here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing another what sold video, and this is now the home of 3-minute what sold videos. So go ahead and look right here for a link to the playlist of the other 3-minute videos that I do for what sold products on eBay. Are you going to help out? Alright guys, I'm going to start with these 3 golf clubs that I sold, starting from the left side. I'm not going to pick them up, but just so you know, all the items I sold today, the buyer paid for shipping, so I'm not going to include that. Alright, so the first one is that King Cobra driver right there, and that one I bought for $8 and sold for $40. The middle one is a Nike 56 degree wedge, and I bought that for $8 as well, and that one sold for $45. And then the last one is this Odyssey white hot putter, and I bought that for $8 and that sold for $55. All right, here's the other items that I sold. The first one is these Haan shoes, and I bought these at our 50-cent store a while back, and those sold for $25. Next up are these Bionic Sandals, and I bought those for $3 and they sold for $24. All right, and we have this Nike kids jacket, Windbreaker, and I bought that for $1 and it sold for $19.97. Next up is this brown vintage tank top that I had for a while and glad it sold. I bought it for $3 and it sold for $27.99. Next up is a jeans that I never heard of but had a lot of flashy things on it. So these are called crown holder jeans, and I bought these for $2 and they sold for $50. Next up is a pair of vintage Levi jeans, and so you can see the XX there up in the upper right hand corner. That's a good thing to look out for with Levi's. And these sold for $42. I got them for $5. And lastly here we have a Babolat tennis backpack. I bought this one for $5 and it sold for $21.97. Here I started packing up the golf clubs, and one of them I ended up wrestling around with, and I had to get to a soccer practice and get to the post office for that, so I ended up just shipping out that one golf club that day, and then as you can see here, it's the next day where I am shipping out the rest of the items. Additionally, I sold this Patagonia T-Shirt over here for $35.01, and that also included shipping from the buyer.